Intune Security Baseline Overview. Each security baseline is a group of pre-configured Windows settings that help you apply and enforce granular security settings that the relevant security teams recommend. You can also customize each baseline you deploy to enforce only those settings and values you require. When you create a security baseline profile in Intune, you are creating a template that consists of multiple device configuration profiles. Security baselines can help you to have an end-to-end secure workflow when working with Microsoft 365. Some of the benefits include, by default, each security baseline is configured to meet the best practices and recommendations for the settings that affect security. Intune partners with the same Windows security team that creates group policy security baselines. These recommendations are based on guidance and extensive experience. If you're new to Intune and not sure where to start, security baselines give you an advantage. You can quickly create and deploy a secure profile, knowing that you're helping protect your organization's resources and data. If you currently use group policy, migrating to Intune for management is easier with these baselines. These baselines are natively built into Intune and include a modern management experience. Available Intune baselines. Security baseline for Windows 10 and later. Microsoft Defender for Endpoint Baseline. To use this baseline, your environment must meet the prerequisites for using Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, Microsoft 365 Apps for Enterprise. Microsoft Edge Baseline HoloLens 2 Advanced Security Baseline Settings. HoloLens 2 Standard Security Baseline Settings. Windows 365 Security Baseline. Provide a brief overview of specifying security baselines. To specify an appropriate security baseline, you should have a clear understanding of which operating system the security baseline needs to be applied to. In a heterogeneous environment, you may need to have multiple baselines to address the requirements of each operating system. The Security Compliance Toolkit (SCT) allows you to download, analyze, test, edit, and store Microsoft recommended security configuration baselines for Microsoft products. For servers, use Azure Security Baselines to machines through Microsoft Cloud Security Benchmark (MCSB). It has guidance for OS hardening, which has led to security baseline documents for Windows and Linux. If the focus of your security baseline is to configure endpoints, Windows client, you can use Intune to automate the deployment and configuration. Note: Intune security baselines are not CIS or NIST compliant. Separate baseline types can include the same settings but use different default values for those settings. Understand the defaults in the baselines and then modify each baseline for your requirements.